How to fix X app. It looks like you've turned off permissions required for this feature error. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the latest X app bug that's stopping people from posting or sending photos and videos. If you've been seeing the message, it looks like you've turned off permissions required for this feature. Don't worry. You're definitely not the only one. This issue has been frustrating a lot of users lately, but I've got a few simple steps that will get you back on track. All right, let's jump right in. When that error message pops up, it also says something like, "Enable files and media permissions in your app settings." But here's the confusing part. When you actually open your phone's app info for X, those specific permissions don't even show up. So you can't really turn anything on or off manually. Now, here's where things get interesting. If you use multiple X accounts or different devices, you might notice the issue only happens on one of them, while the others still work fine. Sometimes, though, it can affect both, which clearly means this isn't a problem with your phone or settings. The good news? It's not your fault. This is a known issue that many users are facing right now, and it's most likely a temporary glitch on X's end. There hasn't been an official statement yet, but chances are the team is already working on a fix. Before trying anything else, make sure your X app is updated to the latest version, because this bug will most likely be fixed in one of the upcoming updates. For now, here's what you can do. Instead of using the X app, open your preferred browser, Chrome, Safari, or anything else you like. Go to x.com and log into your account. From there, you should be able to post, upload, and send media without any problems at all. And that's it. For now, using X through your browser is the best temporary solution until the next patch rolls out. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this one.